Image scaling is an NVIDIA feature that implements an algorithm that improves the scaling and sharpness of full-screen games without losing FPS and performance, with the possibility of improving these metrics. To enable, open the NVIDIA control panel, then click on Manage 3D Settings and Image Scaling. You must select a sharpness value in this window or through the GeForce Experience overlay by pressing Alt F3 on your keyboard while a game is open, and make sure to select a value between 20% and 45% because high values can cause aliasing in games. With image scaling enabled, you will notice that 5 new resolutions will be added based on your monitor's native resolution. By choosing one of these resolutions, your GPU will optimize the rendering of your games, increasing performance without losing much image quality. And you can check these resolutions through NVIDIA's article using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.